me, I grab the mic and leave it broke. Hey, that's no mystery. I'm nickel slick. I pull it dead like Jimmy Swagger. Hit him up quick and watch the motherfucker stagger. Madman living in the TP, no joke. Niggas get swayed because there's too much smoke. First I huff and I puff and I breathe the rough stuff. Don't get caught slipping, playing blind man's bluff tough. Niggas break down, this is crystal clear. You been cast to hell, cause you been calm like a stick. I'm slicky slick and slippery. Niggas can't fuck with me. Fuck the fist fight, prepare for fight night. My ears dollar days, so you better swing low. Cause all I know is gotta go, gotta go. Niggas can't play me, cause I'm not playable with that short shot righteous folk punk. Which makes me unfaithful.
Life is a bitch, and then you die. All I'm trying to get is a piece of the pie. Life is a bitch, and then you die. All I'm trying to get is a piece of the pie. Raise up, hey you motherfucker. Raise up, hey you motherfucker.
Now he's out the joint and he's like flipping on kids.
Shut down and wreck the tracks at the speed of light. Disciple south with the rap back. Prepares you for fight night. 9 in the clip and 1 in the chamber. Earthquake got mad right. Prepared for the danger. I strap so much they call me 9 fingers. Shorty milked up. The body good, but I fucks with the 40. Why? Because I get beast on the hoe. I'm busting bitch niggas too. So act like you know. From a motherfucker roast stuff. And some niggas laugh. It's rolling slow to your hood so I can have target practice. I drop them like flies. The element of surprise. Left 2 in the door. 1 between the eyes. Now I make it easy for your mom to forget ya. Straight closed casket with only a picture. To those who stick, hey, you get with. I bet niggas down. I'm the real boogie speed stick unfadable. Yeah, this a mess to all you punk ass 5-0. Y'all motherfuckers better take heed. Cause we niggas got the same shit y'all got. And we ain't got shit to lose. So check this